There's that mouthy neighbor living in the back of our dining room here. Hear him? Mouthy little cuss. Oh, he's bickering. Hot-headed little kid. Wonder what his problem is, everybody. His nest is right here. Right here, and he's sitting on the stoop, looking at our back door, chirping. Looks like he's got a meal for a baby in his mouth. Why don't we go to the nest? Yeah, that's the kid right there. Go to water the flowers so he comes out and harasses us real bad too. Big time harassment. Who can we talk about that? Get harassment charges filed against him. So he's going to have to either leave the premises or head to jail. That's the kid right there, folks. Seeing's believing. Pretty looking kid, though. I don't know if he's a sparrow or what. Know what he's doing on the stoop. I don't understand it. There's the nest right here. He lives right in that pot, flower pot. Right down below, right in the flower pot. Their names, there he is. He's in his flower pot. That's Bell. The male's Dell and the female is Bell. Yep. That's Bell, the mama. Popping its head out again. Hi, Belle. Good day to you, Belle. He's back on the stoop again. We gotta shut that. Yep. Bell and Dell. Our dad's name was Dell. Delbert. This is Dell Jr. Here's our other neighbor here. Our next door neighbor, the robin. Interesting stuff, huh, people? Very fast paced, too. Fast paced, man. Lively. I only put out the best, everybody. Enjoy. Free entertainment don't cost you a single penny. Subscribe to Randy Knable, YouTube. You won't go wrong. That looks like Dell there. That's a daddy bird. Must be a hungry family in there. I don't know how many kids they got. I know it's hard to make ends meet anymore, though. He's got that government money coming in, though. He might be okay. Living high on the hog. Enjoy, folks. Just enjoy this Thursday night. What the heck, huh? Or what the hell? Have fun. There's Dell. Kids are hungry, you know it? Okay, Dell. What they're doing on the stoop here. Well, everybody, you guys have a good day. Have a good night. Take care. I hope you like this video. A lot of action, fast-paced. Only the best will do. And I'll catch you in the next vlog. That's a video. That's a blog, but it's a V. It's a vlog. Take care, everybody. See you on the next one. Bye.